Hey signers, we have more sports coming your way. In this video, you will learn signs for sports that happen year-round and sports-related vocabulary signs. In our first video, we covered signs for summer and winter sports. So if you can't find a sign that you're looking for, check out that video, after this one, of course. So let's learn how to sign more sports signs. Before we get started, did you know that there's Deaflympics? It's like the Olympics, but for people who are deaf and hard of hearing. The first Deaflympic Games were held in Paris in the summer of 1924, and they're still going to this day. Now let's learn signs for year-round sports. Badminton. Badminton. It's the sign bird and then swatting it back and forth. Badminton. Basketball or basketball. You're holding the ball and flicking it. Basketball, basketball. Bowling or bowling. And you also might see it with the hand facing in this direction. The idea is rolling a bowling ball. Bowling. Boxing. Boxing. It looks like you're boxing. Boxing. To cheer. To cheer. It's yelling and then yeah. To cheer. Cheerleading. Cheerleading. It's like the pom-poms of a cheerleader going back and forth. Cheerleading. Fencing. Fencing. This looks like you are fencing. Fencing. Football. Football. You have your offense and defensive line going into each other. Football. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. It's the person swinging on the bar. Gymnastics. Karate or martial arts. It looks like you're doing karate. Karate or martial arts. Pool or billiards. It's like you're playing the game of pool. Pool or billiards. Rugby. Rugby. You're holding the ball and then throwing it. Rugby. Table tennis or ping pong. It's like you're playing it. Table tennis or ping pong. Taekwondo. Taekwondo. It's abbreviated TKD. Taekwondo. Wrestle. Wrestle. It's like the two people wrestling each other. Wrestle. Weightlifting or weightlifting. It just depends how you're lifting the weights. Weightlifting, weightlifting. To dive or diving. The idea is here's the platform or the diving board and you jumping off, or the diving. To dive or diving. Soccer. Soccer. Your dominant hand is hitting the ball. Soccer. Volleyball has several variations of signs, but this is the one I use. Volleyball. Volleyball. Your middle fingers are flicking like you're hitting the volleyball. Volleyball. Roller skating. Roller skating. Your fingers are representing the wheels and moving them back and forth. Roller skating. Judo. Judo. It's finger spelled Judo. Judo. Jog or jog as in running. Jog, your arms going back and forth, or the sign to run can also be used for jog. To jog. Race or to compete. It's like you're going back and forth with each other. To race or to compete. Exercise or work out. It's like you're lifting weights. exercise, or workout. Have you seen the signs used in baseball? Like for "you're out"? Well, those signs were introduced in the late 1800s when a deaf baseball player named William Dummy Hoy brought them to the game of baseball. Now for signs related to sports vocabulary. Ball. Ball. Your hands are making the shape of a ball. Ball. Defense. Defense. You have D hands blocking. Defense. Offense. Offense. You have O hands crossing across your body. Offense. First, second, and third place are using the numbers first, second, third, just like they would be listed in first, second, and third place. Hit. Hit. Here's the person getting hit. Hit. Play. Play. Use Y-shaped hands, moving them back and forth. Think of a kid jumping around and playing. Play. Point or points in a game. You have your non-dominant index finger and then your dominant pointing on it. Points. Practice. Practice. Your non-dominant hand is an index and your dominant is going back and forth over and over and over again. Practicing. Practice. Game. Game. It's a team against another team. A game. Ref or referee. It's like they're blowing the whistle. Ref or referee. Shoot can be signed in many different ways depending on what you're shooting. Shooting a gun, shooting a basket. Think of the ways that you shoot something and then show it in that action. Throw or throw. You can throw by flicking out your two fingers or showing the act of throwing the ball. Throw, throw. Olympics. Olympics. It's like you're making the Olympic rings. Olympics. Tournament. Tournament. It's like the brackets being placed. Tournament. Win or win. Your dominant hand is like it's grabbing a trophy, or you might see an X hand used. Win. Win. Lose, as in you lost the game. It kind of looks like you're falling flat on your face. Lose, lost. Now let's put these signs into sentences. When is the race? Race, happen when? Did you win the game? Game, win you? I'm going for a run tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, me, run. You've gotten a great workout on all things sports science. Come back to this video often to refresh your memory. And if you're wanting to learn even more signs, we have an ASL dictionary. Go to learnhowtosign.com to check it out. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.